Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to carry on talking about the secret to raising funds. We've said first we use a system that I call grading, and the second one is increasing your chances. So how do you increase your chances? Well, there are two things that I want to say that can help increase your chances of raising funds. Number one is that you go for funders who are already operating within your industry. Or, number two, you go for funders who have funded similar businesses to the ones that you want to do. Because that tells you they have experience already in your field and they're more likely to be able to help you. Okay? So that's one way to increase your chances. Go to funders who are already operating within your industry. Well, number three, secret is this. Make sure you get a yes or no. Many times funders don't want to give you a yes or no. They want to sit on the fence. But your job is to get a yes or no. The reason why you want to do that is you want to eliminate certain people from your list. You don't want to be hanging on thinking and hoping maybe. No, try and get a yes or no or not now. So that if you get a no, at least you realize that after you've done all your rounds, you can always go back to that person. But psychologically, it could be really annoying, and you don't want to suffer from anxiety because somebody says, oh, we don't know. And then you're constantly thinking, oh, are they going to say yes? Are they going to say no? It's better for them to sit on the fence. But for you, it's better for you to know, to get a yes or no answer when you're going for funding. That way, you can move on.